My name is Uman Bhatti and I am from Islamic University from Islamabad. And my topic is cybercrime and its security. Cybercrime, crime committed using a computer and internet to steal a person, identify or any illegal action over the technology is called cybercrime. History of cybercrime: first crime took place in 1820 with the invention of abacus. Outline of this presentation is the players, the weapons, the perception tactics, the examples of cybercrime, type of hacking and security. The players, categories of the cybercrime: the computer as a target, computer that are used to done crime, and the computer as a weapon, using a computer to commit real crime. Players: Soviet military, Russian mafia, professional hackers, campers, traditional mafia, basic crimes organization. Soviet military, those Russian force that hacked the U.S. enterprise with the collapse of consumer. Many upper military person good at money, they have the ability of good at money laundering, good at the moving goods across the borders. Russian mafia is belong to the Russia that are done crimes on the technology. They are very best in cybercrime. They are believed to be behind a rash of bank robberies conducting over the internet in 2001. Professional hackers, they are paid a monthly basis or a quarterly basis, and they are in cybercrimes. Professional companies, occasionally they do well, they lack bad job, but these are rarely unless they are simply looking for load on easy largest. Traditional mafia, they are currently leaving most of the work to others. Online ventures are sticking close to the side things as for online gambling. They are taking advantages of technology using computers, everything and it's related. Next. Cybercrime, this is the percentage of cybercrimes. Next. Basic cybercrime organization, these organizations are made for only to hack the other organization systems and their credibility. The weapons, these tools are used to hack the other system. Next. Perception tactics: hacking of hotel, hacking the PC in the hotel room, knowing times when the target is out of the room, or law enforcement regulating bugs hotel rooms, organized crime outfits to attend conferences. Hacking the offices, possessing a regular office personnel, planning network-based or hardware-based efficient devices. Examples. Next. These are the examples of hacking hotel and next. Types of cybercrimes: hacking, child pornography, denial of services attack, viruses, dismission, computer vandalism, cyber. Next. Hacking. Next. Hacking is the simple terms meaning the illegal instruction into a computer system and or network. It is known as cracking. Also, government network based on gather of these hackers due to the media coverage. Child pornography. The internet is being highly used by its abusers to research the access children sexual worldwide. As more homes have access to internet, more children would be using the internet, and more are the chances of falling victim to the aggression of serial or subsequent attack. This is an act by criminal who floods the bandwidth of the victim's network or fills his email box with spam. Viruses distribution. This is the most tool used by the hacker. Software that attached itself or other software, viruses, homes, trojan horse, webjacking, email, roaming, etc. This is the relation of threats. Computer vandalism. Destroying data rather than stealing or missing them, it's called cyber vandalism. Transmitting viruses, these are the programs that are attached themselves to a wire and then calculate.